We're just going in with 1 jar of your favorite Alfredo. Now I'm gonna pour a little chicken broth in here, about 1/2 cup. Give that a shake. And we're gonna add that in. Perfect. I'm just gonna give that a little mix and combine. We're making a super easy 1-pan dinner tonight. Now I've got some pre-cooked lasagna noodles. These are al dente. You can use the oven ready kind if you like. I didn't have those ones, so I'm just using these that I said, you know, I boiled to al dente. And mine are a brown rice, but you can use any kind that you like. I'm just separating them a little bit. You can break them up in here. That's gonna give us a beautiful base layer. All right, I've just got a bag of my favorite frozen meatballs. Now, I just brought these home from the store, and then I did just kind of put them in my fridge so they could thaw a little bit while I was waiting, because we don't want them to be totally frozen when they're going in here. Well, you can, but it's just gonna take longer to cook. So I like to thaw them just for a couple hours in the fridge first. It's a good hack. I'm coming in with some handfuls of baby spinach, giving us all those good vitamins. And look, now we've got a salad in front of us. Just kidding. Now I've just got some whipped cream cheese. You don't have to use the whipped. You can use just a regular block of cream cheese, soften, cut it into pieces. But I'm gonna go ahead in with this whipped kind. I'm just gonna do little dollops throughout using my little cookie scooper here. I'm gonna come in with a few more just because I want this to be extra creamy. I love this whipped cream cheese. It's just perfect for so many things like this. Now it's time for our seasonings. I'm gonna use some garlic powder in here. Y'all, this is not my favorite garlic powder. I do not like the texture of this one. I don't know why it is like this.
Because you like the granules.
I like the granules. That's my favorite. Yes, Marty. Here's the onion powder. It's funny because the other day I used this garlic powder and I literally thought it was the onion powder because it's this texture. So I like the granule garlic, just a slight matter of preference. Come in here with some Italian seasoning. Can't go wrong with a little extra Italian seasoning here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alrighty, and I've got a bunch of mozzarella here. Y'all, my cheese drawer is always well stocked. I know I get a lot of comments that's like, you love cheese, and I do. I absolutely love it. I feel like it keeps you full for a long time. It gives you extra protein. It's just a matter of preference, and more cheese, please. Okay, that's it. This is a lazy man or lazy mom's lasagna. I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350. I'm gonna cover it for about 50 minutes, and then I'm gonna take off that foil and cover it for another, or cook it for another 10 or 15. Alrighty, y'all, lazy mom lasagna. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This looks so good. Woo! We've got those meatballs in there. We've got our noodles in here. We didn't spend a ton of time layering and layering and layering. You can always put some ricotta in here. There's endless possibilities. We got a vegetable in here, y'all. Look at that. Yum! Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Whoop! I'm trying to get this last meatball. Marty, oh no. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. When I was a kid, there was a music video of Lionel Richie. No. Which one's the, gosh, not Lionel Richie. Tutti Frutti? Oh, Rudy. Little Richard, excuse me. R.I.P. Little Richard, a legend. There was a music video of him singing that song and playing the piano that would play on Disney Channel. It's pretty fabulous. Little Richard, I'm so sorry, buddy. Oh my goodness. Tutti Frutti? Oh, glad you knew right away. Thank you, Marty. Okay. Y'all, this is taking me to Flavor Town, as Guy Fieri would say.
You definitely gotta try it.